Solution Tutorials. Just a quick little video here. Have you had vehicle ramps sliding? I bought these vehicle ramps, thought yep, they look nice and strong, really good, not a problem. But they were shockers. Whenever I tried to pull a car up onto them, they would slide. Have a look at the scratch marks here beside this car. They would move all the way along. You go to drive up and they would just slide out of the way. They wouldn't hang on to the concrete at all. And this concrete's, you know, not particularly smooth, not highly polished or anything like that, but they were shockers. And I tried something as a solution. I tried it about a year ago now, and it's worked an absolute treat. And that is that I just got some good quality silicone and put a bead down on the bottom and then just smoothed it flat. And it's actually come off. But as I said, that's been a year. And you can also see I didn't key the surface. I didn't scratch it enough. You see there were some scratches where it's been scraping on the concrete, but I'm going to give that a bit of a scratch now, cut that off and put the bead back on. This is brilliant. They don't slide at all. They don't jump around. The car just drives straight up because the rubber of the silicone is absolutely holding it in place and really, really good. So little solution, something I experimented with and tried, worked an absolute treat. Something like Selleys All Clear or an SMX is actually a bit stronger than silicone, so just feeling that. I think it is SMX I've used rather than silicone, but either will do the job. Stick them on, put a smear, obviously let it dry at least 24 hours before you go then trying, and brilliant. Yeah, sorry to be showing you a broken one. It has peeled off, but as I said, that's a year later with plenty of use, so, but they don't slide at all, so job done.